say hey to Frank. This video is for Jake. Jake, I'm going to show you how I added music to my video. So I'm in iMovie. I guess I could show you iMovie. And then I had a bunch of beautiful sunrise pictures. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, there we go. Nice and close. Okay. So to add music, one way, there's a little plus sign. Click on the plus sign. And I'm in photos. Go back. And here's all kinds of options. I'm going to go to audio. Right here it says audio. Click on audio. Then you go to soundtracks. And there's all kinds of soundtracks you can use. And I believe because they're on iMovie, you don't necessarily have to worry about copyrights. At least not yet. Let's go to dreaming. Let's see. So you click on one, and to listen to it, oh, sometimes you have to click on it again. Oh, that's kind of pretty. So see the plus sign over here? Just add that plus. And it goes right to my movie. And now, well, to my pictures. Oh, I kind of like that. And you can make it louder, like right here. The speaker, you can make it louder, softer. And if you have video, let's make it back to the 100%. It's kind of, oh, there it is. If, let's say you have a video and it has sound, you click on the sound, but see, this is a picture that doesn't have video. So you don't have to worry about that. But you can make the sound go away on your actual video. So that's how I have music. It goes, you click on the plus sign, you go, let's go all the way back to your options. Go to audio, soundtracks. Oh, and you can add your own music. I don't know how to do all that with playlists and albums. Sound effects are fun too. Check it out. You have a bark. You can add a bark right in the middle there. You can add a bell tower right on top of it, so check it out. And to get rid of them, you just click on that and you click on the scissors and it deletes it. Get rid of the bark, click on the scissors, deletes it. So Jake, I hope this helps you with your movies, videos. If you wanted to add soundtracks that don't have copyrights, it's kind of challenging to find things. Oh, check it out. At the beginning, it says what that title was. So it was Dreaming. And then I give credit. Let's go back to Dreaming. Where was Dreaming? Let's see. Well, there's the title, the song title, and the person, the artist. So best of luck, Jake, and I wish you well. Oh, it's Jake. What's it called? Blue Collared Men's Productions. I'll put it in the description. Bye-bye. Not so fast. I forgot to show you a super simple soundtrack that you do the little tire down here when you're in iMovie, and it goes to this really simple things. Oh, and I always fade at the beginning, fade at the end, fade out to black, fade into black. So there's a theme soundtrack, which there's a simple one, news, travel, and so you click on it and then you say done, and it actually took the place of the other one. So you could add a really easy music to your video. Alright, super simple, or it can be. Once you know it, it's pretty simple. Alrighty, good luck. Bye, Jake. And anybody else that watches this video. Toodles.